Alright, so for this video, let's take a look at individual stocks. Okay, as I've outlined before, if you were bullish on Tesla, you would want to long here, and validation would be down here. Okay, and this is what we got over here. We have sell stops above, and I think we're gonna run through this level here. Not too sure, but if you're long, I would recommend 80% of the profits and then leave 20% for the runner for this highs up here into this inefficiency down here. Whether it attacks this equal highs, I personally do not think so. Okay, but let's see. For PLTR, Palantir, because it has reached a higher time frame objective right here, so I'm expecting some sort of retracement down. I like this breaker down here, so I'll be looking at this level here, okay, to see if it wants to continue higher. Right, for now, nothing much for Palantir since it has already reached in a objective that I have highlighted. Okay, moving on, we have Meta overall quite bullish, right? We are looking at closures above the mean threshold of the of the monthly breaker, right, on the weekly time frame. So right now, let's see if it wants to run the stops here. Right, for Meta, I'm not too sure. It's kind of like a 50-50, so I do not really put much emphasis, but overall, because I'm bearish on equities, I would expect Meta to have a strong retracement lower from these levels down here. Similarly, invalidation would be a closure above 291.78. I think that's my bias for now. Okay, and moving on, we have Alibaba. Right, so Alibaba, we have really nice reaction of this inversion level of a volume imbalance on the monthly time frame. So ultimately, I'm looking for the mean threshold of this order block to be tagged into, and I think eventually 57.2, because we have lots of liquidity down there. Okay, this is for Alibaba. Right, so I think I've gone through most of the individual stocks, so let's just take a look at gold and Bitcoin. So for gold, weekly, we are looking at this BC right here. Okay, so because dollar is in a rally, I would expect a deeper retracement for gold into this area here, and then I'll be looking to see if it wants to run the equal highs up here. Right, this right here, I do not really trust it, so let's see if we get one more run through there and then reverse lower. Okay, that's my bias for gold right now. Right, for Bitcoin, this would be the last. Bitcoin kind of consolidating around this area. We have the weekly BC here, as well as the monthly BC as well. So very nicely, on previous month we have closed above that BC. It was the reaction that I would have wanted. So I think overall we're still in a consolidation. Alright, I'm not sure when it's gonna leave this consolidation, just like what ES has went through for the past few weeks. So all I have is just wait for price to reach into here. Okay, I have no interest in Bitcoin before these levels above here. Okay, and I think that's it for this video. I don't think I've missed out anything. Let me just look through right, we do have HSI. Luckily I looked through. So we have a monthly closure below this bearish fair value gap, right? So I'm expecting this area to be a sort of a resistance. We have a order block right down here and an order block right down here. Overall, I think I would like to use this order block as a short lower, I mean for reference. So on the weekly time frame, we reach into this weekly busy, right? Created a fair value gap down here. So on a weekly, I do not want to see price take out another swing high, right? I think it would be over here. So if it takes out another swing high, then of course I would be 50-50. Right now I'm leaning bearish, so from here it should drop lower. Okay, next we have, what do we have? Let's go through, no, I think better not, so let's just leave it here, and I'll see you guys in the next update for this category of analysis. Okay, and good luck trading.